my YouTube channel and we never cancel it forever. Because that man forced me to delete my YouTube channel, and I don't want to delete them. And I will forever, I will do it. I will do all the work forever. Eat, live, to die. Continue. So now I can do it and do whatever I want. So now, let's continue. Well, so, oh well, I think we're indeed down. Because all of the leaves here are very cool. And I would never put other onions to the next day. So how are the many times better than making the shaded videos? So these videos are cool. And for goodness sake, this YouTube channel will be forever. But they are all cool. And I wanted to feel what someone thought. Oh, shit! Shitty jackass. But this building is open always. I will close the door. And I will order the residents out to open the door with a key outside. Eh? Building it is open? And now in building 8, into the next lift. Oh dear, is another psychedelic.
¿Con el papá va a los ascensores?
Well, to the highest lifts ever.
¿Eh?
No.
No. ¿Y no te enfadas? El papá ya dice que ya está viendo ascensores. ¿Y no te enfadas?
Well, he says that lifts are shitty.
Lo mismo que haces con el papá, tienes que hacer conmigo. Te hace eso te hace tu ciudad imaginaria, como me dijiste el otro día.
But there will be more lifts.
Claro. Ahí en Inglaterra, con el papá.
Because they are more the brands than these others. Because they all here are well, shitty generics. Oh well.
Y tú lo llevarás a todos los sitios.
But they are full and also building more.
Pues eso lo puedes hacer igual en esto.
More ways.
Y no hace falta de ir por todos los ascensores.
So we can do more tools. But over here only for the Go Animated YouTube users.